Hi guys, how you doing? How you guys doing today? How everybody doing today? I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing good. Doing good, guys. Doing good, guys. How about you? You good? Hi, my name is Fernando Parish, and we're gonna talk about my story. We're gonna talk about your story anyway. Today we're gonna talk about life. Today we're gonna talk about life. Today's November 5th, 2024, Tuesday. We're going to talk about life motivation. Is motivation scribed. Change your life and chase your dream. I was in a comfort zone. I was doing just enough. Just enough. And just enough to get by. I just working me just enough to keep me from getting quick, and just working just hard enough to keep from getting fired. Keep getting fired. How many of you know people like that? What thing is going wrong with them? What thing go wrong with them? Working on your business is happening. Working on your business is happening. When things go wrong, don't go with them. When things is going wrong, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes in life. You're gonna make a lot of setbacks, a lot of doubt, a lot of fear. You're gonna have a lot of misery. You're gonna have a lot of failure. You're gonna have fail a lot of stuff. If you go through life to be successful and failure, you're gonna fail again and fail again and fail again until you get it. You got something special in you. You got something special on you. You got something great on you, and you got something great on you. Life's not gonna be easy. Life is hard. It's challenging, but it's not easy for living. It's challenging. It's not easy for living. It's challenging. So that's my story I'm talking about. I'm gonna change. We're gonna turn the next page, chapter 2. Remember that. I want you to think about it, and I want to say to you, it's worth it. It's possible. Alright, we're gonna go back and finish my second page, and then we're gonna talk about what's happening in your life. It's happening to you. I said your life is knock you down. You can get up, you can look up, and you get up, get the up power that do that slap it together. It's possible to have your dream is necessary. Necessary. It's me. Take it. Take it ownership of your life. Nobody cannot live. Your dream is you. It's your business. Life. Stop coming up with excuses. Stop coming up with excuses. And stop coming up with excuses. Give yourself a permission. So, make it happen right now. I tell you, when life knocks you down, you can get up. You can look up. You gotta come. You gotta get up and look up. Of the power. Stay together is possible. Is have your dream is necessary. It's possible you can have your dreams necessary, man. When you do hard, you do hard. No shortcut. This is, incredible. Yeah. It's me. It's taking ownership of your life. You gotta take ownership of your life. Anything you make a mistake, one thing go wrong or make a mistake, and you gotta take ownership of your life. You gotta take responsible for that. Take responsible for everything you can do. Your life, your dream, and your goal. Period. Nobody cannot live your dream. It's you. Nobody can live your dream. It's you. You gotta face your disappointment. You gotta face you, and don't let the fear stop you. Don't let the fear to have you. You in your business life, it's your business life. When your business life stop coming up with excuses, the business life stop coming up with excuses. Don't give yourself permission. Don't give yourself permission to excuses. None of that. You gotta tell yourself the truth. You gotta be honest with yourself. You gotta trust yourself. You gotta listen to the little voice yourself. Life's not easy. Life is hard. You're gonna have a hard time living life. It'll make it different. To make it different. When you make it different, make a change, achieve your goals, and achieve your dream. It's possible you can have it. It's possible you can create it. When you create it, the universe and get you out of the way and comfort zone. So that's what I have today, and that's what we're talking about today. And let me know what you think about it in the comments, and let me know what you think. Touch me on the messages. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know in the comments and messages on YouTube channel. Alright. Thank you guys. Have a great night and have a good night. I'll see you next time. I'll see you the next one. Peace.